All right, welcome to today's section of the class. So here I'm going to teach you how to style the hero section where we worked on. So I'll just go to my Visual Studio Code, and this is the structure from the HTML file where we created the other time. So I have my hero and hero content and the rest of the things. Yes, so this is hero and this is hero content, and I have h1 tag inside and also my paragraph tag inside, and lastly the button also. Here in this other div class I have hero image as the class name, and also I have my image inside the hero image. So quickly, let's just go and start. I will go quickly and click on my CSS, that's hero.css, and here let me quickly show you something in my HTML. So I go to HTML, and this is hero, that's the first section class. I will copy it and take it to my hero.css. Yes, so here I will just say dot, and then I will add the hero. So yes, so I say dot and the hero, and then the divider. Here in the hero I will say display to be flex. Yes, then I want the display to be flex, and I want the content inside the hero section to have space between them. So I will say justify content to have space between. Yes, so I will save it now and quickly go to my browser and refresh it to see the output. So I refresh this. Now you see the space between the contents where I have my project. So now I will also set align items to center. So all the items can be in the center. So align items. Yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. Align items to center. And next, I'm going to also add a height of 100 VH. And lastly, I'm going to add a background color to it. Background color of ash, F7, F7, and F7. Good. So that is just it. Now I will just save it and quickly go back to my browser, and let's see what we have in the browser. So now if I refresh, you realize that now I have aligned items to center and the height of 100 VH. So let me go back again quickly to the project, and here the next class I have to call the hero content class. That's the next one. So I'll call the hero content class and copy it. I'll go back straight to my hero.css. So hero content is a child element of hero. So I'll go back to my CSS and say dot hero content. Then I will divide, and here I will just say width to be 50%. Then I will add a padding of 20 px. Beautiful. So let's quickly, no, 20 px, 20 px, sorry. Yes, so let's quickly save this now. So the next class, let's quickly go back again and check. The next one is the h1. So we have an h1 tag inside the hero content. So now I will just have to also call the h1 so we can work on the h1. So now I will say hero content, and then I will call the h1. So here in the h1, yes, this is the h1 here. Yes, so I have to modify this welcome to our website. So I will go back to CSS, and here I will just quickly show you something that here in h1 I will just say that I want the font size to be 48 pixel. Yes, then I will just say I want the font weight to be bold. Yes, I'll just set the font weight to bold, and I will say margin from the bottom of 20 px, margin from the bottom 20 px. And then let's just save this and go and check from the browser. So now refresh it and you realize that my welcome to our website is looking bigger now. So the next thing I will have to do is go back again, and the next thing, I have a paragraph tag also inside here. So I also have to work on this paragraph tag. So I will just go and say, let me copy all this and bring it here. So I will just change the H1 to P since it's a paragraph tag we are working on. Then here I will just say in the P, I want the font size to be 18 pixel, no longer 48. And I need to take out the font weight because I don't need the font weight. Yes. And here in the margin bottom, I'm just going to say 30 pixel instead of the 20 pixel. So that's what we are going to use. I save it and go back to my browser and refresh it. And now you see there's a space between them. So there, this is the space between them. Yes, so it has space under the button and space under the welcome to our website here. So I will go back to my project and quickly go back to HTML. And the next thing is this div class that says, this button class that says CTA and BTN. So I'll go there. Here I will just say dot CTA and BTN. Good. So now there I will just say background color. I'll give it a background color of ash 007B FF, which is blue. Yes. So that's what I'm going to be using for this color. Then I give it a color for the text color. Then I said this is ash FFF, which means white color. So the next one, I'm going to give it a padding from the bottom and for the top 10 pixel, and for the right and for the left I'm adding 20 pixel. Yes, 20 pixel from the left and the right. So now let's just go border. I will say the border has to be none. I don't need a border around the button, and I need a border radius. So I just say border radius of 5 pixel, and I will go ahead and set the cursor to pointer. So if you hover on the button, the mouse pointer will change to a hand. So save it now. Let's go to our project in the live server and refresh it. Let's see what happens to this button. So now you see the button has changed. So the next one, we need to go to quickly try and work on the hero image section. So we can also modify that class. So let's go to index.html, sorry, hero.html here, and copy hero.html. Go to our style.css here, which is the hero.css. So here we'll say dot, then I paste the hero image, and here I will say I need a width of 50%. Then also I need a height of 100%. And then I want to set the object to fit. Yes, I want to set object to fit, so I would say object fit to cover. Yes, so I want the object to be cover. So for this hero image class, I'm setting the object to fit and I want it to be cover. So I'll go and check it, refresh it. Now you see the object is covered. So quickly let's go back again. Now I'm going to go to hero image img. So I will say hero image img, but first I will want to quickly show you where that class is. But hero, now image, then I'm going to call img. That's the image here. Good, beautiful. So I use a divider. Let me quickly go to hero.html so I can show you. So now you see I have image tag inside the hero image. So this is the image tag and it's inside the hero here, and my image is inside. This is the image here. So I will just go there to my CSS, and the next thing I will say there, I want to give it a width of 100%, 100%, and also I want to give it a height of 100%, And lastly, I want to set object fit to cover also. Yes, to cover. Beautiful. So let's save it and also go back and refresh to see from our browser what we have there. Let's just refresh. So now you see that the image is fitting to the size of the place, and this will take us to the end of this section. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.